So here's some area and perimeter basic for you. You've all seen area and perimeter before, and like for area and perimeter. For area, how do we find the area? We multiply the length by the width. Whereas for the perimeter, we add all sides. So that includes all the sides of the shape, okay? So I'll do a couple of examples here for you. So take, for instance, question 2, part 2, okay? As an example for you. So this is the one I'm doing here, okay? So you'll see down below, all right? So we have a square, and it says 80 meters by 80 meters. So I want to find the area. So how am I going to find the area of the square? Well, area will be equal to length by width, which is 80 meters multiplied by 80 meters. And use your calculator. What's 80 times 80? Well, 80 multiplied by 80 is equal to 6,400 meters squared. Okay, so that's your area. And then for perimeter, you want to add up all the sides, but there are 4 sides. So you have 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80, because there are 4 sides. So this one is the same as this, so this will be 80. And this will be 80. So 80 plus 80 plus 80 plus 80 is 320, and this is just in meters. So area is meters squared, whereas perimeter is just in meters. For question 3 then, you have rectangles, so the key is rectangles, and you find an area and perimeter which is the same again. So I'm going to look at part 3 here for you. So these are a couple of examples for you. So we know this is 18 by 5, so the area is equal to length by width, which is 18 kilometers, multiplied by 5 kilometers, which is equal to, well, 18 by 5 is 90 kilometers squared. Okay, so area is always the units squared. And for the perimeter of that one then, perimeter, again we add up all the sides, but there are 4 sides, so we have 5 kilometers plus 18 kilometers. Again, the top will be the same as the bottom, which is 5 kilometers plus 18 kilometers again, which is equal to 23, and 23 is 46 kilometers. So there's no squared for the perimeter. Okay, so just watch for that. Now these ones here are slightly more difficult. Okay, so here you have to split these up into a shape. Okay, now this one here, you can split it a couple of ways, but the easiest way to split this one maybe is across like this. Look. So now you have a little rectangle here and a bigger rectangle here. So how are you going to find the area of part A? So only worry about part A. Again, it's length by width, which is 2 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters, which is 6 centimeters squared. So we're splitting it up into 2 shapes. And then the area of B is the rectangle below, is equal to length by width again, which is 2 centimeters by 8 centimeters. 2 times 8 is 16 centimeters squared. Now I want to find the total area. So how do I find the total area? Well, the total area will be equal to 6 centimeters squared plus 16 centimeters squared, which is equal to 22 centimeters squared. Now that's the total area of that part. And now we're going to find the perimeter. So the perimeter then Now be careful here, is equal to. So I'll start with 2 plus 8 plus. Now what length is this side here going to be? Well, it's going to be the same as this, which is 2 plus. Now, be careful here. So this bit here and this bit here. The total is 8. Take away the 2 centimeters here means that this bit plus this bit here will be equal to 6 plus 3 plus 2. What length is this side here going to be? 3 again. And we have already included this. So how many sides have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's correct, because the 6 is this bit plus this bit here. So add those up and we get 18, 21, 26 centimeters. Now that's just an example of the way I want you to have your work, okay? So there's no shortcuts. I don't just want answers. I want you to show the work. So like draw a little diagram, length by width, because that way then you'll never make the mistakes with this.